Ultra Remaps here. Today we're going to be deleting an Adblue system from a Citroen Relay van. The van is going for export and the customer no longer wants the Adblue system. So this is it displays at the moment. So effectively we're going to be telling the van that it no longer has an Adblue system. The DPF will work as it should. The hardware for the Adblue system will remain in place, but it will no longer function. As I say, it's for an export van. The van's a 69 plate. If you're having any issues with your Adblue system, please feel free to contact us and we'll be able to assist you further.